Hi, everybody. Happy Monday morning. I wanted to record a short message because we have turned in our first homework assignment. At least the due date has passed. Some of you have not turned it in yet, which, as we've discussed, is fine in terms of full credit availability, but you do need to work toward getting that done so that we can stay on a time frame to finish up by the end of this semester. So the three classes that I'm talking to in this video are dynamics, statics, and mechanics of materials, the three engineering science courses that I'm teaching. So starting with dynamics, let's see, there we go. First of all, just to go through the Moodle page a little bit, what we'll see is that we have the Submit Homework Chapter 11, which over half of the class has done. And at this point, we are getting ready to proceed through Chapter 12. So Chapter 12 has 5 lectures associated with it. Actually 6. I did the original 5 lectures, and then I realized that I had omitted something quite important on Chapter 9 that was background material, for Lecture 9, background material for Lecture 9, which is in Chapter 12, and orbital mechanics, and so I included an addendum lecture. So when you watch those lectures, you will then be ready to start preparing your homework for Chapter 12. So if you look at the assignment, the submit homework, just like on the other on Chapter 11, there are actually this time there are 4 homework sets instead of 3 homework sets, but you'll submit them all together at this tab for Chapter 12. And I will get that, make sure that all the dates and the submission protocols are in place. Now the other thing is that after you finish chapters 11 and 12, there will be a quiz which you will open right here over the 2 chapters. It's open notes, open book, but it is timed. And you'll be graded on your process, not just your answer. So there are several steps to the problem. Once you open it, you have an hour to work it, and then you'll submit your work through this tab button, submit work for chapter 1 or for quiz number 1, just like with your other assignments, with chapter 11 and chapter 12 assignments. Now, if we take a look at statics, which is the other class, one of the other classes that I'm speaking with, we have completed a handout for unit conversions and submitted it. Everybody in this class has done that, so congratulations, 100% completion. And now we're going to start on Chapter 2. So there are a total of 6 videos for Chapter 2. And so you'll watch all 6 of those videos, then submit the homework for Chapter 2 right here, which is due September 9th. So once again, here are the homework sets, but they all come in together, and you'll submit them through this tab, hopefully by September 9th. If you need a couple more days, don't worry about it, but just keep on pace. Then when you're done with chapters 1 and 2, we'll start the quiz, which is the same thing. It's 1 hour timed, and then you submit your work through here, graded on your steps, your process, as well as your work. Mechanics of materials, over half of the class has submitted their homework here, and once again, that homework was a handout on a review of method of joints and methods of sections. So now we begin Chapter 1. There are 4 lectures, and then the homework for Chapter 1, which is due right here. And as I said again, please post all of those to a single file and submit through that button. All right. Now in Mechanics of Materials, we do not have a quiz until we're done with Chapter 2. So after you get done with Chapter 1 homework, then you'll proceed through Chapter 2, and there's a quiz that will be due quite a bit later, September 21st. All right, so as always, please get a hold of me if you have questions or problems. Don't ever hesitate to contact me. I hope all of you have my cell number, which is 307-272-1833. If you need to get a hold of me very quickly, please feel free to send me a text. And if you have a little bit more lead time, please send me an email, but I'll get back to you very, very quickly. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and let me know when I can help. Thanks.